Downloading data from Afterpay can help you manage your transactions and track your spending. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Afterpay account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in a menu or under your account name. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find Data Download option. Look for an option related to data downloads or transaction history. This may be labeled as Download Data, Transaction History, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Select date range and format. You may be prompted to select a date range for the data you want to download. Choose the appropriate dates and select the format in which you want the data, e.g., CSV, PDF. Confirm your selections. Step 5. Download the data. After confirming your selections, click on the Download button. The data will be compiled and downloaded to your device. Check your Downloads folder to access the file. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Afterpay for your personal records or financial management.